boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I can see it. What's up, everybody? Today's a big day. We're going to show you the champion build, the 202. Come along.
What the hell is this?
What's up, fellas?
What is this?
This is our new build. I'm sitting right here in what I consider my favorite boat. It's hard to believe looking like this would be one of my favorite boats, but it is. It's a 1998 Champion 202. I bought this boat with a vision. We're gonna make it a one-off Team Marine boat. We're gonna go change the dash, we're gonna change the seats, we're gonna change the carpeting, we're gonna change the layout completely of this boat, making it better than what it was from the beginning.
I've known Andy for a long time, and he's kind of obsessed with champion boats. I mean, he's owned 2 or 3 of them. They've always been awesome. But to buy this and to renovate this from nothing but a scrap heap piece of junk, I don't know what he's thinking.
You got anything?
Dumpster?
No. Lots of this can go in a dumpster.
Where did you get this thing from?
Texas. Starting over. Only thing I want is a hull. And we'll change everything else. I want it black, green, and white. We're gonna wrap it.
Right now it's not fantastic at all. It's going to be a lot of work.
Yeah, I know Jason and Neil, they both have a vision on what this boat is gonna be. They may not be 100% on board with it, or they may not even like the way it looks now, but in the future, I guarantee you that they're gonna appreciate it and they're gonna like it just as much as I am.
I think it's gonna be fun.
I love it. Let's make it magical.
Even though this boat's a pile of junk, I'm kind of excited. You know, it's gonna be a challenge. You know, we take a lot of pride in this place, and I'm kind of looking forward to it.
Stay tuned for the next episode, and as always, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell to witness the madness that we call speed, money, and no brakes.
Didn't want to start too early, you know what I mean?
I think you should start early.
You think I should?
Just let her go. Who cares?
I like to hold on, if you know what I mean.